Hey everybody, it's Julie with Tasty in Texas and welcome to my kitchen. Say ta-da! My kitchen, it's little, it's small, but you know what? It does what it needs to do. It makes some goodies. Okay, today we're gonna make my sweet cousin sent this recipe through my Facebook page. And it's called Greek yogurt brownies. Well, I don't have a picture of it, but it looks really, really good. We'll see. So anyway, my cousins look out for me. They know what I'm doing. And some of them are on journeys too. Everybody's always on a journey. They don't judge me. I don't judge them. There's no reason to judge anybody. So what we're gonna have is a half a cup of chocolate chopped. Well, I don't have chocolate, so we're just gonna use chocolate chips. I'm gonna melt those in the thing. It says, oh. It says 1 cup of yogurt, vanilla yogurt. I've got vanilla yogurt here. Half a cup of sugar of your choice. So we're using sweetener. Yes, these are sugar-free, gluten-free brownies. Okay, now it says gluten all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. My clothes are falling off of me. I'm so sorry. I got my new apron on that I made. See it? Yay. I'm all in green today. I did St. Patrick's Day decorations. I'll show y'all in a minute. But I don't know why I'm dressed in green. I just guess I felt like being camouflaged today so nobody'd notice me. Okay, so it's all-purpose flour, or you can use gluten-free flour. So I don't have much of this gluten-free flour anymore. And really, I did not like the Sunset gluten-free flour. It's kind of chalky. It's does not make good gravy at all. No. But yeah, this, don't get it. I don't remember if I got this at Aldi's or if I got this at Walmart. It's called Divided Sunset. I'm thinking that maybe I got it at Walmart. No go. So we're going to try this Bob's Red Mill gluten-free 1-to-1 flour. Baking flour. There's a big difference between flour and baking flour. You even have cake flour. So we've got a half a cup of cocoa. I got this from, I want to say either Dollar Tree or Aldi's. Then we got a half teaspoon baking soda. I don't have that here yet. And I got a half a cup of milk. We're using lactose. And then we got 1 cup chocolate chips of choice. So that's what we're going to do. And let me get my baking soda and hang on to your boots for the ride. Okay, so we're going to preheat our oven to 350. Let's see if we can get it to working today. Bake, 350, start. Got it. I went and had an MRI done the other day on my shoulder. I have 2 torn tendons. I'm going to be going to a specialist over it. I'm so excited. Yay. Not. Okay. So we're going to add our half a cup of chocolate. I might need to get some more chocolate chips, huh? Oh, I need to get my mixer out too. Okay, so what we're using is Hershey's chocolate chips, 0 sugar. It is the same taste. There is no artificial coloring, no artificial preservatives, gluten-free, calories, 0 sugar. Okay, we can go with that, can't we? So let me put y'all down here where y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, we're gonna get our half cup of chocolate going. also forgot to tell y'all, when I reach 100 subscribers, I will make somebody an apron. I'm going to give away a homemade apron. Just like, well, not quite, well, yeah, but different material. Or it could be the same material. This says, together, well, I don't know what it says. Home. Anyway, it's like blessings and stuff like that on it. But anyway, when I reach 100 subscribers, I will be giving away a apron. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell the person next to you, or tell the person across the street that you're trying to win a free apron. And that's shipping included. Yeah, it's going to be shipped for free. So give everybody my YouTube channel name and you'll get a free apron made personally by me. Whoops, my clothes are coming off. From Tasty in Texas. I might even put a little Tasty in Texas on it. We might do it red, white, and blue. Who knows? So hang on to your boots and keep them going. I don't know about them. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna check it again. See what we got. We put it on the bottom this time. And it came out clean. So these took about 35 minutes to make. And that, my friend, are our brownies. I'm gonna let them cool and then we'll see how they taste. So I told you I would show y'all my St. Patrick's Day's decorations. That's my long one. This is my table. These light up. Those light up. And that's my table. And then I have this that we'll put up across the bells. And then I have my fireplace.
If you like my content and you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the gym.
So anyway, that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed the dessert. I'll let y'all know when I edit this how it's going to turn out. Anyway, so y'all have a great day. See you, bye.